Most people think improving a credit score takes years. That's not true. In reality, one smart decision can start improving your credit score in as little as 30 days. And one bad move can silently destroy it without you even realizing. If you're planning to buy a car, apply for a credit card, rent an apartment, or even get a loan, this video could literally save you thousands of dollars. Stay with me, because I'm going to show you exactly how to improve your credit score fast, step by step, in the simplest way possible. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Before we begin, if you want clear and simple money advice that actually works in real life, make sure you subscribe to WealthWise right now. We break down credit, money, and finance in a way anyone can understand. Subscribing now means you won't miss the next video that could help you save serious money. Let's start with the most powerful truth about credit scores. Improving your credit score is not about earning more money. It's about changing a few behaviors that banks track very closely. The first thing you must do is protect your payment history at all costs. Even one late payment can drop your score fast and keep it down for months. If you have bills coming up, always pay at least the minimum amount and always pay on time. Set auto pay, reminders, alarms, whatever it takes. On-time payments send one strong message to lenders. You are reliable, and reliability is what credit scores reward the most. Now here's a step that can improve your score faster than almost anything else. Reduce your credit usage. This means how much of your available credit you're using right now. If your credit limit is $10,000 and you're using $8,000 or $9,000, lenders see that as a red flag. Even if you're paying on time, high usage makes you look financially stressed. The goal is to keep your usage below 30%. Below 20% is even better. Paying down balances before the statement date, not the due date, can make a big difference quickly. Next, do not rush to close old credit cards. Many people think closing unused cards is a smart move, but it often hurts your credit score instead. Older accounts show lenders that you've been trusted with credit for a long time. Closing them shortens your credit history and increases your usage ratio. Even if you don't use an old card often, keeping it open and active with small purchases can quietly help your score over time. Another fast improvement step is controlling new credit applications. Every time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry appears on your report. Too many inquiries in a short time makes you look desperate for money, even if you're not. Space out applications and only apply when it truly makes sense. If you're shopping for loans, try to do it within a short window so inquiries are grouped together. This shows lenders you're comparing options, not struggling. Now let's talk about something most people completely ignore: checking their credit report. You are allowed to check your own credit without hurting your score. And mistakes on credit reports are more common than people think. Late payments that were never late, accounts that don't belong to you, old collections that should have been removed. Disputing errors can lead to quick score improvements. Monitoring your report keeps you in control instead of guessing. Here's another powerful move: build positive activity consistently. Credit scores respond to patterns, not one-time actions. Paying on time every month, keeping balances low, and maintaining stable accounts slowly but steadily pushes your score higher. There are no real shortcuts, but consistency works better than anything else. People who chase hacks often hurt their score more than they help it. Let's clear a few dangerous myths before you make a costly mistake. Carrying a balance does not improve your credit score. Paying interest does not earn you points. Your income does not directly affect your credit score. What matters is how responsibly you handle borrowed money. The system doesn't care how much you earn, it cares how predictable and disciplined you are. If you've made mistakes in the past, don't panic. Credit scores are designed to recover. Recent behavior matters more than old mistakes. The more positive actions you stack month after month, the less impact old negatives have. This is why people who understand the system can rebuild their credit faster than those who don't. By now, you should realize something important. Improving your credit score is not complicated, but it requires awareness and control. Pay on time, use less credit. Keep old accounts open. Apply carefully. Monitor your report. Do these consistently, and your credit score will start working for you instead of against you. Your credit score works quietly in the background, but its impact is loud. It decides how much extra money you pay or save over your lifetime. The sooner you control it, the better your financial future becomes. If this video helped you understand how to improve your credit score fast, like this video and subscribe to WealthWise for more simple, no confusion money guidance. I'll see you in the next one.